Have you ever taken note of a situation with the intention of discussing it the next time you're together with your colleagues, only to have the thought vanish before you convene for your next meeting? Profile alerts in WeCollab serve to ensure that there is opportunity to record pertinent information prior to a meeting, with a process built in to quickly identify these details during a meeting. An alert is a brief note describing a reason for discussion. It may be a key issue, it may be the result of an assessment, it may simply be a reminder so that an idea is not forgotten. Within a student profile, an alert can be placed for a student at the school or the district level, depending where the conversation needs to take place. The same process exists for school profiles at the district level. These alerts are highlighted on the cards on team boards with an exclamation mark and are mentioned in summary emails when students or schools are subscribed to, so there is opportunity to be informed of potential discussion prior to meetings. On the team board, whether a meeting is active or not, the alerts can be turned on. The cards then shuffle on the board to bring to the top those with an alert so that attention may be drawn to them. Hovering on the card will bring up the details of the alert. Schedule a conversation to learn more about how WeCollab can ensure we know which students or schools we need to talk about.